What if I told you you could use 3 simple martial arts mindsets to grow your business and boost sales right now? I've used these mindsets in my own business. I also taught them to my clients and they got amazing results. And yes, they work even if you've never been to a martial arts class in your life. When I was a kid, I wanted to be like Bruce Lee. I later realized that what I really wanted was his confidence, his way of thinking, his ability to start a movement. And when I became a coach, I was surprised to learn that the principles I learned in martial arts gave me an edge over my competition. I just can't compete with this guy. His martial arts mindset is too strong. You bet. And if you've invested thousands of dollars in business coaching programs and yet you're still feeling stuck despite knowing exactly what to do to grow your business, these principles are going to make a massive difference because no business coach out there can teach you this. Hey, strategies are important, Bogdan. Yeah. They're important, but investing in business strategies and not having the right mindset is like buying the car without buying the fuel. Oh crap, I forgot. Maybe I should pay better attention to my mindset. Let's talk about your goals, because this is a goal setting mistake that I see entrepreneurs make all the time. And setting goals this way is actually holding back your power. Here's what I mean. Now, if I want to use my full power, then I cannot focus on the target, on the goal. This is me focusing right here on the goal. Instead, I want to focus behind the goal. And here's what that looks like. On the goal, behind the goal. In other words, if you have a goal of hitting 50K months, set a goal of hitting 100K months instead, and you will be surprised by what happens. If you're feeling demotivated in your business, this is probably the reason why. You're probably not thinking big enough. Another big mistake that entrepreneurs make when it comes to growing their business and sales is this. Instead of thinking and acting like a confident business owner, most entrepreneurs tend to overthink every sales call, every negotiation, and sometimes every decision. I noticed early on in sparring that whenever I let my mind take over and start to overthink, I would instantly get punched in the face. Hey, what's wrong with you? Instead, when I let go of thinking and started being present in the moment, I became a lot more effective. And that is done by feeling into the moment and really connecting with the person in front of you. I mean, think about it. Who's gonna get the sale? The person who's like, what should I do? What should I say? Who should I be so that they buy from me? Or the person who's in the moment, relaxed, confident, and asks themselves, what does this person need right now? If you need to think about what to do or what to say, you're actually slow. Instead, let go of thinking and embrace being. Be confident and centered, and you will see a boost in sales this month. This one comes from Bruce Lee himself.
Be water, my friend.
Here's an example of fire. Let's go! You don't need to think about it because this is the best decision for you right now. Let me send you the contract! And now here's an example of water. Yes, I understand you need to think about it. This is a big decision. At the same time, what would you need right now in order to be 100% confident that this is the best decision for you? So I'm not trying to force the decision or resist the objection. I'm taking the objection and redirecting the energy with a question that allows me to find the real source of the objection. Do this and you will close so many more sales this month. That's actually pretty good. Applying these martial arts mindsets will change both your business and your life. However, growing your business is not just about what you're doing and what you're thinking. It's also about how you feel about yourself and about the world you live in. For example, feeling like an imposter cost me my first million. And letting go of imposter syndrome is essential to your development as an entrepreneur. So I highly recommend watching this video next so you can successfully implement these martial arts mindsets and take your business to the next level. Chickens. Shut up, chickens. We're making a video here. There we go.